darlings, this is your decimal review and rate run Edpuzzle quiz. And of course, we will also be doing a couple of negatives in here as well. So make sure that you're not using your notes, you're not using any friends or family, and you're not using any kind of other tabs. You do need a blank sheet of scratch paper and something to write with, so have that handy. And then, of course, in the box, you're going to type what's in quotes. I have neither given nor received any unauthorized help on this assignment. And we're going to keep this real simple. You need to remember where the decimal is in a whole number, and you're going to add these two. Then you're going to subtract them. Multiply these two numbers. And then divide these two numbers. Now we have 0.0825 minus -5. And the last question for this is 0.0825 divided by -5. All right, next you did your rate run. You measured out 32.5 feet, which is the same as 10 meters, and you calculated your rate in meters per second. So it's meters divided by seconds. And so for the first one, what was your walking speed? And speed's the same thing as rate. What was your running speed? What was your skipping speed? And of course, what was the speed of you walking backwards? All right, guys, thank you very much.